What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. And we're doing a unboxing today. Yes, I said it, an unboxing of some tech today. We're looking at the Blue Yeti Blackout microphone. I'm making more and more of these videos, and my mic that I have now isn't bad. It's not horrible, but I am reaching for that professional sound. So today I went out. Well, me and my wife went out. We bought a microphone because she's gonna start, streaming her Nintendo Switch stuff, and I'm just trying to get some better audio for my PlayStation and just my regular videos when I review and unbox tech. So I went out today and got this bad boy, and it's only right is it if I do an unboxing and bring y'all along with me. And like I said, this is Gould's Gaming and Tech. So as always, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications, and let's get it. All right, we're gonna cut this bad boy open. Bam! Let's do it. Let's see what we got over here. Now, excuse me if I am looking like a little noob with this knife. I am not used to cutting stuff, cutting people. So, oh, there we go, right there. Bam! Oh, do I got a little? Yeah, I got a little. Get up in here real quick. Bam! All right. Don't pay attention to him. He a hater, bro. He always in the back hating. All right, this thing was pretty heavy when I bought it. So, let's see. Oh, real quick. This microphone is USB compatible. So you literally plug this USB into whatever you're trying to, whatever you're recording or whatever the case is. So you can plug it up to your laptop. You can plug it directly. In my case, I have a PlayStation 5, so I can plug it directly into my PlayStation 5. Just play with the settings a little bit and change the audio to this microphone. And then I also bought, oh, my bad. Hold on. I also bought this bad boy. This is a USB to USB Type-C converter. So for if I'm recording a video that has a USB Type-C charging port, or where the audio goes, I can literally just hook the microphone USB into this, and then plug this into that device, and then bam, microphone on deck. But yeah, $16, Best Buy, Belkin. I don't even know if this is good or not. I'm not reviewing this, but this is just, I got this with this. All right, get out of here. It's too much from you. All right, I'm struggling. Hold on. I ain't got no muscles. Okay, we're gonna peel that off. All right, there we go. Bruh, they could have made this a lot simpler. I ain't got no muscles to be doing all this. What the hell? All right, hold on. I know this is like supposed to be an unboxing, but I'm more so ripping this thing apart. This thing giving me problems. All right, boom. There we go. All right, we got some pieces. So this is the USB that goes into the microphone. It's USB to micro USB. So I assume the micro USB goes into the mic, and then the USB part is the out part, which can hook up to whatever. Books, we don't care about this. I know how this works. You plug it up, it works. Get rid of that. Oh, wait a minute. Don't let me do it to you. And this is the microphone right here. It comes upside down. Let me give y'all a better look at this. All right, for all the people out there who know all the specs better than I do, who are a little bit more nerdy than I am, I'm gonna give y'all the specs. It's pretty simple though. It has a mute button, the master volume, a headphone output, a USB mini jack, a threaded mic standout mount, which just holds it up custom bass to kind of hold it steady when you're using the mic. It has mic gain control, which it kind of goes through layers when it receives the audio. So basically, all it means is just it helps keep it clear. It has 4-polar pattern selector. I don't even know what the hell that means, but it has it. 4-polar pattern selector. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what that means. If y'all know what that means, please comment down below in the comments. What the hell is a 4-polar pattern selector? I know it's a button, but we're trying to figure out what that button does. Now we're gonna touch base on what really sold me on this bad boy. I looked it up. I did some review search, and the reviews were good, but as y'all seen from the box, it had a big Ubisoft logo on it. And when I read the fine print, this thing came with a $50 Ubisoft promo code to use in the Ubisoft store. Now, I don't know about you, but if I recall correctly, this YouTube channel is called Gould Gaming and Tech. Now, how often does a tech piece give you something to go for your gaming? Not that often. So I'm definitely going to use this because most of the games I have, well, I won't say most of them, but a couple of them I have are from Ubisoft. And I buy a lot of Ubisoft games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Watch Dogs, The Division when I had it. I buy a lot of Ubisoft games, so this is definitely going to help a brother out. No, I'm not scratching this code off so y'all can see my code. Stop thinking it. I know you was. I can sniff your thoughts right now. It ain't happening. All right, man, like I said, this is just an unboxing video, okay? I'll do a full review of this thing after I've used it for a couple videos and kind of really pay attention to the difference. But like I said, this is just an unboxing and ain't much to it. It's one thing in there, a couple cords, and I'm just too hyped about that Ubisoft code. So, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that bell for notifications. We're trying to make this thing big right here. We're trying to make this thing massive, okay? I'm trying to continuously grow the channel. You guys' support is greatly appreciated. And it's going to be more tech, man. More tech to come, more gaming to come. Hit that thumbs up, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Let's get it.